Director Reema Kakti, along with stars Adarsh Gaurav, Vineet Kumar Singh, and others, attended the world premiere of Superboys of Malegaon at the Toronto International Film Festival on September 13th. The film received an enthusiastic standing ovation with glowing reviews from Variety, Deadline, and other top outlets. Celebrities like Miss Marvel star Iman Vellani were also in attendance, creating a special superhero meets Superboys moment post-screening.
It's delightful, a little bit nerve-wracking, and it's just, I hope it goes down well. They bring so much authenticity. Each one has really worked to get into the skin of the character that they're playing, and it's a dream cast. I'm really grateful to have them. I hope it inspires them to fulfill any unfulfilled dreams they might have. Well, the documentary, it's a delightful film. I love it. It's about the making of one film. Our film is really about what made the director. What were the catalysts? How did it start? It's about 10 years of his life.
It's absolutely exciting. This is the first time we've premiered at TIFF, and Reema's film is so special. And this is also a first for Amazon, so we're all very excited. And let's see, the world's going to watch it today. It's basically a film about a filmmaker, and he achieved the impossible. He had no resources, nothing to back him, and just a dream, and he went out and fulfilled it. Because he had that that zest is why we are standing here today. So yeah, it's special. I love Nasir. You'll meet him. He's here. He's such a character, and he's a dreamer. He's extremely naive, and like every good filmmaker, is a bit of a hustler. So he's very juicy. You'll meet him.
It's such a surreal feeling. It's so overwhelming to be here, honestly. That's why I was saying that when we set out to make this film, you don't imagine where it's going to land you, and it's just such an incredible feeling to be at TIFF. Yeah, special. Yeah, I actually did spend around a couple of weeks with Nasir. I spent a month in Malegaon, but I spent a couple of weeks in Malegaon shadowing Nasir everywhere, meeting people from his past, him telling me all the stories when he was growing up, when he started out to make films. It was just such an amazing time. Yeah. I always like an outlier story and like the underdog story, and I just feel like this film is so special because it's about a man who dared to dream, and he was almost ridiculed to have that kind of dream, but then he went ahead and chased it and made it into a reality. I think it's extremely inspiring, not to mention the bond that all the guys have amongst themselves and how they have each other's back. It's such a beautiful story. It's so special. I've been a massive Reema fan since Honeymoon Travels. I've seen all her films, Talash, massive fan of The Hard. It's a show that came on Amazon Prime last year. And it's just an honor to work with Reema, really. Yeah, it's a dream come true.
Firstly, because it's by Reema and Zoya. They are one of my favorite filmmakers in India. When they were making this film, and I have seen BBC documentary, which was made by, our great director, and when I saw that, it was very inspiring. The entire thing, the boys, their passion, and they were crazy. They were nuts, right? They just wanted to go all out pursuing their passion, and it's not about the money. It's not about what they had, all the equipments they had to arrange, but it's just about that passion and going out. It was so inspiring to me. I was like, I want to be part of this. I was so stoked and so thrilled. that I really want to be part of something so big, which will inspire others just like I was.
Oh, the character was basically something that was so intricately written by Varun Grover. I absolutely love the character arc, like from where she starts and where she lands by the end of the film. And films make you immortal is the entire message of the film. And I feel during the process we have realized it even more. And while shooting or even before signing, I realized that that's the reason I ever started this with, right? And we all are born and we all are like living our lives so that we could tell stories. So it's that basic, as basic as evolution, that we want to tell stories. So this is a story about telling stories. So that's why it's special. It's beautiful. It's exciting. It's overwhelming. It's amazing to be here because the fans are so loving and hungry and warm. Like, it just doesn't feel like I'm in a different country. It just feels like they've always like been there, and it's just too warm, the kind of welcome we are getting at TIFF. And it's fun. Like, honestly speaking, I've been pretty nervous about this, but the moment I've stepped on the red carpet, they've just hugged us with both their hands. So that's beautiful. That's amazing.
कैसा लग रहा है आपके बारे में एक फिल्म बनाई गई है तो कैसा लग रहा है?
अरे ये तो सपने जैसा लग रहा है मुझको, एकदम मेरे को अजीब सा लग रहा है कि मैं कहाँ आ गया, अजीब तू नई दुनिया में आ गया, मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है.
It's
बड़ी
like
खुशी हो रही है.
it's like a dream. I can't believe I'm here. It's like that there's a film that exists on his life and it's playing here. He's saying it's probably a dream right now, but I'm very happy.
बहुत ऐसा दिल भर गया है क्या यहाँ पे आके,
ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत ही बड़ा कुछ हो गया.
बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी हो रही मुझको, दिल तो भर चुका, कई बार भरा.
Okay, my heart is full and I can't express how happy I am to be here.
फिल्म के राइटर के साथ, फिल्म के डायरेक्टर के साथ काम करके कैसा लगा? अरे सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी हो रही मुझको, इंडस्ट्री के जो सबसे अच्छे लोग हैं उनके साथ मेरा मतलब उनके साथ शुरुआत हुई. वो मेरी फिल्म बनाए और इतनी अच्छी फिल्म बनाए और इंसाफ किए मेरी फिल्म के साथ, मेरे लाइफ के साथ, मेरी जो जर्नी ली है लाइफ की.
Okay. So he's saying he's just blessed that he got to work with the best talent in the industry. That some of the best people came together to make this film, and he's just overwhelmed and happy.
The story is about these real guys who are so crazy and passionate about cinema, and so are we. So a chance to represent these guys who are the pioneers of this very small town in India, who make movies from their own pocket with their own money, and it's a really thriving film industry today, that part of India. And it was a lifetime, once in a lifetime kind of opportunity to work in such kind of movie. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. She's an amazing person, and I think she's one of the directors who's probably going to break me out of my stereotype, because I've been stereotyped as a certain character in the industry since quite a while, and she saw me in a completely different light, and I'm very grateful for that. So when I saw this, when I read the whole script, I was moved. I wouldn't say I was in tears, but I was moved, and I was like, I have to say yes to this film. And I was doing another film at the same time. So I opted out of that film because it was clashing with the dates were clashing with this film, so I had to opt out of it. Yeah.
So my character is Shafiq. He's Nasir's best friend, the protagonist of the film. And what drew me to the role is his love for acting and his passion for cinema and his love for his friends and his empathy to everything in the world. And I think empathy and sensitivity are attractive qualities for anybody. And that's, so it's my second time working with Reema, and it just gets better and better. I just hope they take our love for cinema, and I hope they feel a bit more united, if that's the way to put it, because cinema brings us together, stories bring us together, and our film is an homage to storytelling, and I hope if people see it and they resonate with it, I hope they just feel a little closer to each other. That's about it. It's incredible. These are some of the actors I really look up to. Vineet Kumar Singh and Adarsh Gaurav. They're some of the finest actors in my country, and I really look up to them. And when someone knows their job well, and you love acting, it's an instant a match, and I just love working with them.
Yeah, so I really did not take any inspiration from the documentary beyond the thing that the documentary exists, and it opened the world for us, that this world exists, these people exist. After that, I started from the scratch, working with Nasir, his bunch of friends who are the characters in the film. They all are around. We did a lot of research. Took me around a year and a half to research on their lives and collect material, and then eventually we started writing. So it was roughly a 2.5 year process of writing, and it was great fun because they are a great bunch of people. I just hope they take a love for cinema, which is like the prime reason we made this film. We all love cinema. We all love the magic movies create, the emotions they can make us feel. So one, love for cinema, love for how people are passionate, and passion can make magic in this world. And apart from that, I just hope people take a sense of friendship back home, because it's a film about friends.
My character's name is Farooq Jafri. He's a writer, and my character's name is Farooq Jafri. He's a writer, and he's so stubborn. He talks from heart. Whatever he is feeling, he will say. He can't hold it, and because of that, he creates so much of problem in his life, and in his personal life. In the family, there is nothing much for Farooq. For him, his world is his friends, Nasir, Shafiq, and all the bunch of the friends, and cinema. And he is so passionate about cinema. He talks cinema. When you talk with Farooq, the real character, he always talks about cinema with so much of confidence. And there's lots of turn and twist in Farooq's character. And because of his nature, he creates lots of problem in the film also, which makes the character so interesting. And this film is like a community feeling. This film is like something which is going to inspire you. The bunch of boys, they created an industry in India. The name is Malegaon, that city's town's name. And those bunch of boys, they don't know by pushing which button of the camera is going to roll. From there they started, and out of that, they made so many films. So this is celebration of cinema. This film is celebration of cinema.
नासिर, तुम तो अपनी दुनिया में घूम रहे थे। ये सब ना बस फिल्मों में होता है, लोग काम छोड़ के खुशी ढूंढते हैं। असल जिंदगी में घर चलाना पड़ता, नान निहारी का इंतजाम करना पड़ता।
अरे शौक पाल के क्या करेगा, मालेगा में तू मरेगा। शौक पाल के क्या करेगा, मालेगा में तू मरेगा। बहुत खतरनाक आइडिया है मेरे पास।
इधर ही पिक्चर बनाते ना, मालेगा में।
गुंडा हो गया क्या? अबे तू लूम में मजदूर है, मेरी खजूर की दुकान, फटे हाल रिसाले का दिल जला अदीब फरोख।
अदीब नहीं, अजीब हो तुम।
जन्म से बेरोजगार तू। पिक्चर बनाएंगे
कोशिश तो करते हैं यार।
क्या है ना कि मालेगांव में बहुत मच बहुत रोना धोना है यार। अबे जिंदगी में थोड़ी कॉमेडी, थोड़ा हंसना जरूरी है ना।
लड़के वालों की लाइन लगा रखी है अब्बू ने।
टेंशन मत ले, ठीक है ना?
ठीक है।
हो सकता है भाई।
ये ऑडिशन है?
हाँ ना। मालेगांव में ना खाली एक ही चीज की कमी नहीं है, इंसानों की।
इसलिए इधर बना रहा ना मैं।
इधर के लोगों के लिए, इधर के लोगों के साथ।
सिर्फ प्रोड्यूसर का टाइटल चाहिए।
बेशक। अरे मालेगांव पर जानना किसको है?
क्योंकि उनके लिए हमारे जैसे लोग बेमानी हैं।
न जुबान आती, न दुनिया का कायदा आता, बस लोगों का फायदा उठाना आता तुझे। तेरे को लगता है तू बहुत बड़ा ओरिजिनल आर्टिस्ट है ना? हाँ हूँ मैं।
पीछे नहीं हटने को, सिर्फ तो तेरी पिक्चर बना तो समझा ना।
दोबारा मिलेंगे कभी? अभी खुशी मिलती तो करना चाहिए।
तो मालेगांव की पब्लिक
वो देख जादू का पंछी, एक दिन उड़ूंगा इसमें मैं।